What's up guys, and welcome back. So I've got a great new IPTV service guys with about 46 working channels and video on demand 4K. So guys, this is free IPTV. However, for how long it's going to be free, I'm not sure. So guys, while we have it, we can use it. So let's get down to it. It's called Ace TV, as we see when we open it up. We've got video on demand, which is all in 4K guys. I won't be able to demonstrate this as I do not have the line speed for 4K at the moment. So we're going to go back out, and we've got the live TV add-on. So we'll click on that. We've got sports and all, so you've got two sections guys. So we'll click on all. Give it to load. So there we have it guys. So we've got tons of channels, 46 channels including sport, NBC, Nickelodeon, shows, extreme, NHL. So let's try the NHL network. It's one click play guys. So guys, there is a bit of buffer at the beginning as I set my system on pre-buffer. So as you see, it is working flawlessly guys. So I'm going to stop it there. Click on Disney Junior. As you see guys, my system is set to pre-buffer whenever I'm using any add-ons. So once it's done, it actually works flawlessly guys, and perfectly. I'm going to stop it there. Let's try one more guys. Let's go to VH1. Guys, yours may work even better. This is how I set it up my Kodi system to do pre-buffer on using a buffer fix. So, and there we have it guys. I'm gonna stop it there once again guys. This is a great add-on for IPTV. There's only 46 channels, but they work in HD, and you've got 4K on demand channels as well. So guys, let's get down to actually installing this. So I'm gonna go back out to the main menu. So you're going to go into settings, file manager, you're going to add a source, you're going to click on none, and you're going to enter the source. I've already entered it, so I'm going to show you the source. Cancel. So guys, you're going to enter this URL, which is fspmcody.com/repo. You're going to give it a name, and you're going to click OK. Alright, so we're going to go back out. You're going to go into add-ons from the main menu. You're going to click on the box in the top left corner, install from zip file. You're going to click on the URL, and you're going to install the Fire Stick Plus Man zip. So once you click on that, you're going to wait for the pop-up to appear on the top right hand side corner. Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe tab and hit that notification bell. As well, leave a comment down below on what do you think about this IPTV service and it's being free for the time being. How long, we don't know guys. So once that's installed, you're going to click install from repository. You're going to click on the Fire Stick Plus Man add-ons, video add-ons, and at the top we've got Ace TV. You'll click on that, and where it says uninstall, yours will say install. Guys, once you install it, you'll click open, and there we have it. So you've got a full, or should I say a good working IPTV list with video on demand at 4K. So guys, hope this is helpful. So I'll see you all in my next upload. Don't forget to hit that subscribe tab down below. Thanks for watching.